Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be replacing transmission lines on a 2015 Nissan Micra using LinesToGo part number TCL-227-SS. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2015 Micra, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 19mm socket and ratchet, 10mm wrench, pliers, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Raise and support the vehicle. At the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side, remove the spring clips that secure the rubber hoses off the transmission to the metal lines. Remove the hoses from the lines. Remove the spring clip and then the hose from the line at the lower passenger side of the radiator. Remove the final hose from the line on the passenger side of the radiator. We found it easiest to reach this from the top of the vehicle. Remove the two metal transmission lines from the molded clips in the radiator fan cover and remove them from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new LinesToGo stainless steel transmission lines, start by installing the line labeled A into position. Next, install the line labeled B into position and secure the lines into the clips. Connect the two hoses on the driver's side and secure them using the spring clips. Connect the hose at the lower passenger side and secure it using the spring clip. Connect the final hose from the top and secure the spring clip. From underneath the vehicle, locate the transmission dipstick tube on the driver's side and remove the cap by depressing the locking clip. Please note that if you are not working on a 2015 Micra, the steps for checking the transmission fluid level may vary. Please research how to adjust the fluid level for your specific vehicle. Make sure all four wheels of the vehicle are raised off the ground and that the vehicle is level. You will need to be able to access underneath the vehicle while topping up the fluid. Reconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. With the vehicle in park, start the vehicle. Use a 19mm socket to remove the plug from the transmission pan. Top up the fluid level through the dipstick tube using a funnel. When the fluid starts to leak from the transmission pan, you have added enough. Wait for the fluid from the pan to slow to a drip and replace the plug and tighten using a 19mm socket. This concludes the installation of stainless steel transmission cooler lines on a 2015 Nissan Micra using LinesToGo part number TCL-227-SS. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.